हेलो नमस्ते अपनी केमना आचेना अमी देखकर खुशी अमी bengali भाषा bengal is the one of the oldest state in india and historically so popular state famous people like vivekananda ravindranath tagore sarojini naidu are related to bengali state main headquarter of east india company is kolkata river ganga flows to this state howrah bridge kalimata temple eden garden and cricket stadiums are related to bengal rasgulla of bengal have a national brand value. Our national song and anthem is Vande Mataram. Janagana Mana is written in the Bengali language. The important Plassey battle of took place in the Bengal. Pare Dekha Habe.